In this video, I am going to guide about choosing a protection plan on Turo without insurance. This will help you understand your options if you don't want personal coverage. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Turo app and log into your account. 2. Select a car for your rental and proceed to checkout. 3. Look for the protection plan section before confirming your booking. 4. Review the available protection plans and their coverage details. 5. Compare options based on liability, damage protection, and deductibles. 6. Choose a plan that best suits your budget and needs. 7. Read the terms and conditions carefully before selecting. 8. Confirm your choice and proceed with the reservation. 9. Ensure the plan covers your specific rental requirements. 10. Complete the booking and receive confirmation of your selection. Your trip will now include the chosen protection plan. Check Turo's help section if you need further details. You can update your plan before finalizing your booking.